KRAZ's history goes through long and difficult roads to become a world-class automobile factory. KRAZ was formed on August 31, 1945, when the People's Commissariat for Transport Roads issued an order to build a mechanical bridge factory in Kremenchuk. The first brick was laid on the foundation of the plant in 1946, and over the next 8 years it produced about 600 bridges with a total length of about 27 kilometers for use in the Dnieper, Moscow, Dniester, Volga, and Daugava rivers. In 1956 the factory produced combine harvesters and other agricultural machinery. The Kremenchuk combined plant produced 11,000 agricultural machines in the first 2 years of its establishment. On April 17, 1958, the Central Committee of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union decided to build a factory for the production of heavy-duty vehicles, and the production of heavy-duty trucks was transferred to the Yaroslavl motor plant. The first 2 KRAZ 222 dump trucks were assembled from imported units and components on April 10, 1959, and in 1961 the factory exported over 500 vehicles to 26 countries around the world such as Argentina, Afghanistan, Bulgaria, China, India, Vietnam. More than 820,000 vehicles have been produced since 1959. On January 26, 1971 KRAZ was awarded the Order of Lenin for completion of the 5-year plan ahead of schedule and successful developments of new truck models. On January 15, 1976 the plant became KRAZ. The company has changed profiles 3 times since 1945. However, despite these frequent changes, it is among the top 10 companies in the world. Today, it is the leader of the Ukrainian automotive industry and is among the top 5 in the country in the production of heavy trucks. The company manufactures a wide range of trucks as well as spare parts semi-trailers and trailers. KRAZ series includes 33 basic models, 350 versions, and more than 1,500 configurations of 2, 3 and 4 axle cab trucks. These are dump trucks, truck tractors, platform trucks, timber and short log trucks, chassis cab trucks that are used to convert them into special vehicles, trailers, and semi-trailers. These trucks or machines are built for basic markets. As an example to these, construction industry, road industry, utilities, mining and logging industry, oil and gas industry, armed forces, and disaster response units. KRAZ trucks. It is known in more than 70 countries worldwide for its strength, reliability, ease of use and easy repair. Strength and endurance. It has been proven with millions of kilometers on the road and in the field in all climatic conditions. The production areas of the factory, which produces in a total of 6 different areas, are as follows: civil vehicles, chassis, semi-tractors, military vehicles, special purpose vehicles and armored vehicles. On April 30, 1984, the 500,000th truck was produced. Until 1986, KRAZ's annual production vehicle totaled 30,655 vehicles. Annual production in 1990 was 27,667 trucks and in 1991 it was 25,094 trucks. By March 1993 a total of 750,000 trucks were produced. The KRAZ was registered as a holding company in June 1996. 1996 the company's yearly production output totaled 1919 trucks. On January 27, 2006, the 800,000th truck KRAZ came off the production line. In October of the same year, it was ranked first among 100 Ukrainian companies according to the 100 most dynamic companies rating results. KRAZ 255. A legendary conqueror of rugged terrains, all-wheel drive KRAZ 255 truck dubbed popularly Laptiajanik, entered mass production. Kremenchuk Automobile Plant was awarded Certificate of the First Degree at the Exhibition of Economic Achievements of the USSR for development and launch of the KRAZ 255 truck. 15 employees were awarded golden, silver, and bronze medals. This truck has received 3 times high-grade quality certification accepted in USSR. The KRAZ 255 truck has been in production for almost 3 decades. This monster, which can speed 71 kilometers with its 14-liter V8 engine, was very popular in the Soviet Union and neighboring countries. It has been exported to 17 countries in total, mainly to countries such as Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary, and India. This model, produced in 10 different variations in total. It has a length of 8.6 meters, a width of 2.75 meters and a height of 2.9 meters.